Hello everyone and welcome back to DeFi Central. In today's video, I will show you how to add the Binance Smart Chain to your Metamask. So the first thing you'll do is go up here if you have, well, you should have the Metamask installed on your Chrome browser. So you should have the Metamask extension installed on your Chrome browser. And if that's the case, you go up here, you click on your Metamask extension. Now this will pop up. As you can see, I already have it installed, but what you would do is click up here where it says the name of the network. You're going to come down here and click on Add Network. So that will bring you to this page here, which is where you will be adding the information manually. You'll be adding the Binance Smart Chain network information manually. So I'll leave the link in the description to coinguides.org, and this is where you can find all the information for the Binance Smart Chain on Metamask. So for the BSC mainnet, what you'll do here is copy this information. So you'll copy this, and then you'll paste it here. And then you'll copy the new RPC URL. Copy that and paste that in the new RPC URL. And then you'll copy the chain ID. So it's 56 in BNB. I like to just write that myself. So 56 and BNB. Oh. There you go. And then the block explorer URL. You can copy that right here. Copy. And then you add that right here. And then you would click on save. And it's as simple as that to add different networks to your MetaMask. Now, I will show you how to add different tokens in case they don't show up in your MetaMask. Now, once the network is added, you can click here on MetaMask. That'll bring you over here. And then if there's any token that you want to add that's on the Binance Smart Chain, if I bring you over to CoinGecko, we can go to the Binance, the BNB chain ecosystem. And I could just pick a random coin because it's pretty much the same procedure no matter which coin you want to add. I don't know why things are slow today. So if you want to add, let's just say, let's just say you want to add cake. You'll click here on, click on the token, click on PancakeSwap, and the token symbol is cake for PancakeSwap. So on the right-hand side, you'll see here where it says contract under info. This is where you'll find the token address for cake. So if you want to add, let's just say you transferred some cake tokens over to your MetaMask, and then you open your MetaMask and you don't see the token, then you would have to copy this token address, and then you would go back to MetaMask, make sure you're on the Binance Smart Chain, and you come here to import tokens. So you go to assets and then import tokens, and then you go to custom token, and you paste the token address here in token contract address, and then you'll see it automatically recognizes the token address and it's cake token decimal 18. So that you click on add custom token, and there you go, cake. If you had a balance, it'll show the balance. I have 0 cake, but just to show you. And then you go import tokens, and then you'll see Cake is now showing in your wallet. So if you had a balance, you'd be able to see it now, and that's it. And that's the exact same procedure for every token. So again, you find no matter where you find. Sometimes it's in the white paper. Sometimes it's on sometimes it's on here in CoinGecko or Dex Screener. So as long as you find the contract address, the token address, I should say, and the procedure is the same. You come over here, import tokens, go to custom token, and you paste the token address there, and it'll recognize, and then you can add it to your MetaMask. So that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. Today was a short video, but informative. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.